Vision Group ngesi egang kiwa hospital kotoma inapeta kechenwa ijenga Adam kotoma kirite na etemo kitailolo koibuga mbali. Kampuni loka Vision Group ngesi abu iganga inapeta keda imilioni na kaisangon. Arotan kosi Alfred Atwao keda Jackie na mukuta kaidules.
Akiritina etoloshololo koi bugalom bale nesia jaitunga keda iriongeta lue gelegela lo epolokite kampuni loka Vision Group don wanyama ngesia raya batanakej lo angosibi kotoma kiritikana okarula lolo neda bu ijaikina polona dekis na kokiwa Erickson Timothy milioni na kaisangon kedada na epolokite board lo adekis Angela Wapakabulo kowai kalo epolokita dekis ajaiti kesamun atukuni kapuni milioni na kwataka nyape konye apotuepe dosi atukun milioni na kwatauni keda kaisa kanyibon abu isinyiko kitunga aiganga keriti kwa natikana na rai ikapunolwe tukunio rai lwe losete aiganya jengyo na ngunli chogore jautene.
At Cuba, Uganda, we offer donor-sponsored surgeries. By you participating in this run today, as you see the mother seated behind us here, in the context of what we do here at Cuba, Uganda, we offer brain surgeries. To put that into context, if you wanted a tumor to be removed from your brain, you would spend up to $50,000 US. If you go to India, maybe $15,000 US. That is way beyond even what we call the middle income status in our country. A condition like hydrocephalus, let us say if you went to Aga Khan Hospital, you would spend up to $6,000, $12,000 US. That is out of the reach of many Ugandans. 98% of Ugandans cannot afford that.
Lo epolokit Vision Group don wanyama ngesia bale be okaruangon le bunit ekote teunita tukune bilionite diope ochamunite be epedorosingun.
It's a hospital that offers specialized surgery for children with a condition known as hydrocephalus spina bifida. In the normal hospitals, everyday hospitals, a surgery here would cost about 50 million shillings. But because of the support that this hospital gets from people like you and me, they have been able to bring down the cost to about 6.8 million shillings. This is a very big cause, it's a very noble cause. Last year, we were told the hospital conducted about 1,900 surgeries, perhaps the highest number in the world that has ever seen, courtesy of the support that people give through processes like this. So as Vision Group, we think it's a worthy cause and we are really proud to be part of it. We made a support of about 40 million shillings and we commit that going forward we are going to continue supporting this. I want to thank especially the people of Mbale, the agencies in Mbale that came out to support this particular cause. And also just to let our people know in Eastern Uganda that at Vision Group, we have opened up a new television station for Eastern Uganda. It's called TV East, so Star Times channel. And I ask that you watch it and you're going to have all the news about Eastern Uganda on the channel.
Karaida ajaikina keriti tomambale kosoroti apoteso makaluke top radio nepepeka TV East kokerata obuga losoroti neda abalarna ya itarucho kit television kedaitunga Stella Kebe araibora jokonoi.
So kwape top radio kida TV East duchu nijar iPod lo yeniso bimeda kina tekere ije duchu so kapakina lo monitoma apose morbuno stede kiwa surgery run na de tolosio ne mukaga lolo narai aje woro ai tijeni kina tekere iPod lo na ngarakin eda jenu ni dabe ije sale kasini ne mina sarida kinoni ito na doketait na akuta jinyo sekotoni ilo sida akapa kinabe imina oraumi dopangu itamita aikiute urulu anu aisina kinitunga kededa tuko kinaga ngata na ipero na ngara kina kachuti ko pani leja stoma adoketaiti nginda ikototori ajenyo so ngisa pelekini ta potse murmuru turkira luka kiwa surgery run
egangan lo akeritikana lo ekarula lolo ne siarai umeme kampuni lo abuigang kedai milioni na kwateta kaisare kanuka TV East Alfred Atwao kajaki namukuta kobuga mbale
kwa nane ngesidna ngakini kedi Iyemuto wo karitwa nati Iyemuto ibongo kini moibo boy Santa Monare Lukai Walar akota isinyiko ikini jo salakiti sesen TV East etida lokide.